This is the new Bank of America Stadium in Charlotte, North Carolina, home of the Carolina Panthers and Charlotte FC once its transformative renovation is complete. With a projected cost of $800 million, this extensive upgrade aims to redefine the game day experience for fans and ensure the stadium remains a premier NFL venue. The renovation promises state-of-the-art amenities, modernized facilities, and a renewed focus on fan engagement. But behind these ambitious plans lies a complex web of challenges. Questions surrounding funding, design decisions, and long-term viability have sparked debate among fans and residents alike. For one of the NFL's most iconic stadiums, this is a pivotal moment in its history. Opened in September 1996, Bank of America Stadium was built in just over 2 years at a cost of $248 million. Equivalent to approximately $480 million today. Nestled in the heart of uptown Charlotte, the stadium quickly became a city landmark, symbolizing the Panthers' arrival in the NFL. Designed as a classic bowl-style venue with a seating capacity of over 74,000, its sleek granite-clad exterior and team-branded accents reflect a timeless design that has stood the test of time. Over the decades, Bank of America Stadium has hosted unforgettable moments, including the 2003 NFC Championship game, where the Panthers secured their first Super Bowl appearance with a dramatic 14-3 victory over the Philadelphia Eagles. On the soccer front, Charlotte FC's debut in 2022 shattered attendance records, with over 74,000 fans packing the stadium, the largest crowd ever recorded for an MLS match. The stadium has seen several upgrades over the years, with the most significant taking place in 2014, an $87.5 million renovation, about $110 million today, that introduced massive high-definition video boards, improved concourses, and upgraded fan amenities. Now, nearly 30 years since its opening, the stadium is undergoing its most ambitious transformation yet. The decision to renovate Bank of America Stadium is driven by the need to modernize an aging facility, enhance the fan experience, improve sustainability, maintain economic benefits for the community, and secure that both teams remain in Charlotte for the next 20 years. This initiative is the result of a collaborative effort between Tepper Sports and Entertainment, TSE, the ownership group behind the Carolina Panthers and Charlotte FC, and the City of Charlotte, which approved the renovation plan with a 7-3 vote in June 2024. While the motivation and vision for the renovation are clear, the details surrounding its costs, design, and broader impact are where things get interesting, and we'll dive into those in just a moment. The Bank of America Stadium renovation is estimated to cost $800 million. The design, led by the renowned architectural firm HOK, reflects a vision of modernity and innovation while preserving the stadium's storied legacy. Known for their work on other iconic venues, including Mercedes-Benz Stadium in Atlanta, Hard Rock Stadium in Miami, and Little Caesars Arena in Detroit, HOK brings a wealth of expertise to this ambitious project. Scheduled to begin this year, the renovation will be carried out in phases, ensuring that both the Carolina Panthers and Charlotte FC can continue playing uninterrupted throughout the process. The upgrades aim to address the stadium's aging infrastructure while introducing fan-focused enhancements that redefine the game day experience. At the core of the project are sweeping infrastructure improvements. Air handling units, plumbing, and mechanical systems will be upgraded to modern standards, while concrete repairs will ensure the stadium's structural integrity. Inside the bowl, every seat will be replaced to enhance comfort and sightlines, offering fans a better viewing experience. One of the standout features of the renovation is the extensive upgrade to the stadium's scoreboard and video display systems. The current scoreboard, measuring 55 feet by 200 feet, will be replaced with a state-of-the-art system that's even larger and more advanced. Additional video boards will be installed throughout the stadium, enhancing the visual experience for fans from every seat. Outside, large exterior video boards will adorn the stadium's facade, offering opportunities for watch parties and other public viewing events. Complementing these visual upgrades is a cutting-edge sound system designed to improve the audio experience across the venue and immerse fans in the excitement of the game. The exterior of the stadium will also undergo a dramatic transformation. The dated concrete facades will be replaced with sleek glass and LED displays, creating a bold, modern appearance. A park-like space at the corner of Mint and Graham Streets will offer a welcoming area for fans, while the addition of a standing room-only deck on the 500 level will provide panoramic views of the Charlotte skyline. Plans also include a larger team store for Panthers and Charlotte FC merchandise, new concessions with regional food options to reflect the local culture, and the potential addition of loge boxes on the 300 level to provide premium seating options. Fan accessibility is another focus of the renovation. Upgraded features will make the stadium more accommodating for fans with disabilities, ensuring an inclusive experience for all attendees. The renovations are also expected to position the stadium as a multi-purpose venue, expanding its versatility to host concerts, entertainment events, and large-scale gatherings in addition to football and soccer games. While the design of the Bank of America Stadium renovation showcases ambition and innovation, the funding behind has stirred significant debate. From the total amount, $650 million is being provided by the City of Charlotte through hospitality and tourism taxes, with Tepper Sports and Entertainment, TSE, contributing the remaining $150 million and covering any additional cost overruns. However, this funding structure has become a lightning rod for criticism. In 2024, the Centre for Economic Accountability awarded Charlotte the dubious title of Worst Economic Development Deal of the Year, citing the high cost and questionable economic justification of the renovation. Critics argue that dedicating $650 million in public funds to a privately owned stadium is not only excessive, but comes at the expense of essential city services, such as public safety and affordable housing. To put this into perspective, the city's entire annual budget for police, fire and waste management is less than the amount allocated for the stadium renovation. This debate is far from unique to Charlotte. Similar controversies have surrounded other high-profile stadium projects in the United States. In Buffalo, taxpayers are funding $850 million of the $1.4 billion cost of the Bills' new stadium, a deal widely criticized as benefiting billionaire owners at public expense. The Tennessee Titans' new stadium in Nashville has also sparked backlash, with $1.2 billion in public subsidies making up the majority of the $2.1 billion project cost, the largest stadium subsidy in U.S. history. These cases highlight a growing trend of cities shouldering significant financial burdens to support privately owned sports teams, often with questionable returns. Transparency has also been a major concern in Charlotte's case. The deal was negotiated largely behind closed doors, with the final agreement unveiled just 3 weeks before the City Council's vote. Despite a public feedback process where a majority of residents expressed opposition, the Council ultimately approved the funding in a 7-3 vote. Critics claim the rushed timeline left little room for meaningful public input, fueling further frustration among taxpayers. Proponents of the deal, including many business owners and city officials, argue that the renovation will deliver long-term economic benefits. They point to the stadium's ability to host over 40 events annually, which reportedly generated $1.1 billion in economic impact for Charlotte in 2023. Supporters also emphasize the importance of the 20-year non-relocation agreement, ensuring the Panthers and Charlotte FC remain in the city. However, independent experts and economists have questioned these projections. Studies often show that the economic benefits of sports stadiums are overstated, with critics noting that consumer spending simply shifts from other local businesses rather than generating new revenue. As one opponent of the deal put it, a dollar spent at the stadium is a dollar not spent elsewhere in the city. Adding to this skepticism is TSE's controversial history with public-funded projects. David Tepper, the team's owner, previously abandoned a partially built Panthers headquarters and practice facility in Rock Hill, South Carolina, amid financial disputes. This track record has raised questions about the reliability of the partnership and whether taxpayers are getting a fair return on their investment. Despite these controversies, supporters of the renovation maintain that it will help keep Charlotte competitive in attracting major events and bolster the city's reputation as a hub for sports and entertainment. But with the project's high costs and lingering public backlash, only time will tell if this investment pays off or becomes another example of misallocated public funds. What do you think? Is the $800 million renovation worth the price, or should the funds have been allocated elsewhere? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mega build stories.